Hello students, how are you? I am Shipon Mia, lecturer in English at Doha Nogbuns College. Today I will discuss a new topic about pronoun referencing. So you have to need what is pronoun actually. We just already know that what is noun, what is pronoun. Just you have to structure of the pronoun, then you will correct the pronoun referencing. Actually, there are 4 forms of pronoun. One, subject form. Number 2, object form. Number 3, possessive form. And number 4, object of possessive. There are 4 forms of pronoun. Now, if we see I is a subject form of pronoun, and here object form of I is me, and possessive my. Mine is object of pronoun. Then we, us, our, ours. In the second person, you, your, yours, he, him, his, she, object form, her, possessive form, her, object of possessive form, her, they, object form, them, possessive form, their, object of possessive form, there. Last one, it, object form, it, possessive form, its, object of possessive, its. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here there are 7 types of pronoun. Just you have to know the 4 forms of this pronoun. If you know this form of pronoun, then you have to identify the pronoun referencing, and you have to you just clear the pronoun referencing. So here at first you have to this structure: I, object from me, possessive from my, and object of possessive mine. Just every pronoun has object form, possessive form, and object of possessive form. So now I will try to discuss with the help of example. If I use he, if I use Salam and Salma are siblings. Here Salam and Salma are 2 different different subject. Then in the next sentence, if you use he goes to school. He goes to school. On the other hand, he is also goes to school. Here is a problem. He goes to school. Here we understand that Salam is a boy, so you have to use he. On the other hand, he also goes to school. Here is a problem, because here uses for Salam, but you have to use Salma, because here uses also. So you should not use he, you should use she, because she also goes to school. That means Salma also goes to school. So in this way you have to clarify the sentence. Thank you. Hello viewers, thank you to see my lecture. Today I will discuss about this, that means pronoun referencing. So today I will discuss in a different way. Just I will learn you with practicing. So you have to see these passages. Here you find in the answer script and the exam. This is a passage. So if you correct pronoun referencing, then you have to identify the pronoun at first. Women are nowadays as important as men in society. Here is a sentence, but we cannot find any pronoun, so we don't need correct pronoun. In the second line, she constitutes nearly half of the total population. Here is a pronoun. Here she is a pronoun. She uses for singular for girls or women. So she is a pronoun. So if she is right, then you should not correct the pronoun. But if she is wrong or unclear, then you have to clear this pronoun. Here we find women. Women is a plural, and man. Here man is also plural form of the subject. So women and men are different subject, but here she uses for singular subject, woman, not women. So you should correct this pronoun. Here you have to use they. If we use they, then it will be unclear, because they uses for women, they uses for men. So you have to use women. Then it will be correct form of the sentence. Women constitute, not constitutes, because women is a plural form. Constitute nearly half of the total population. So you can get one number out of 5. Next line, if we clarify or discuss, no nation can make real progress keeping half of it in the dark. Here no nation can make real progress actually. Keeping half of it. What is it? It is also pronoun, and it uses for things, not person. It uses for things, and it also uses for singular thing. But it is not actually clear the sentence. So if we clear this sentence, then we have to just see the real progress. If we use real progress, then it will be clear. But if we don't change this word, this pronoun, then it will be unclear. So no nation can make real progress keeping half of it. It means real progress. No, it is wrong. It means its population. No nation can make real progress keeping half of its population. Its population. If we use its population, then it will be correct. Without the next line, without the improvement of the women's status, without the improvement of the women's status, it is not at all possible. It is not at all possible. Here it is also a pronoun. What is not at all possible actually? You have to clarify this. So if we use real progress, here if you use real progress instead of it, then it will be fruitful. Real progress is not at all possible. Again, without education, women cannot be uplifted. So proper education should be given to her. Here her is a singular number. Her uses for girl, singular girl, but we find here women. So proper education should be given to women is correct. So that they is also correct, because women, they is correct, can work hand in hand with them. Them means what? Them here you have to use, but if you use men, then it will be also fruitful. Men in all development programs. So she, it, her, them. These are actually pronoun, and it is actually wrong way. So I am trying to clear this pronoun, and just in this way you have to answer, and the answer is script, because if you do not answer this pronoun, that it will be unclear. So we have to clear this pronoun with the help of noun. So thank you once again.